So what is a brand? It can be really confusing. According to Marty Neumeier, a brand is a result. It's your business reputation. A brand is how your customer feels about your business. When we decide to start a business, we are so excited and we're so passionate and we want to dive right in. So we'll think of a business name, and then we'll create a logo, and sometimes we even create a website. And then we're off and running to start our dream business. The problem is that we haven't distinguished ourselves. Chances are we aren't the only ones doing this thing. We're competing against many other businesses doing the same thing. And what happens is we often have to compete on price. We haven't given our customers a reason to choose us over others. Branding helps to influence how your business is perceived by your customers. It begins with a strategy to clarify what your brand stands for and how you want it to be portrayed in the world. You'll determine who your target customer is and how you can help them. This ensures that you're sharing relevant, value-packed information. The communication you provide, the quality of your product and service, the free value you offer, how you communicate your message, being consistent with your brand voice, tone, personality, values, all play a part in how your customer thinks of your business. You're hoping to have your potential customer like you. Another way to help your potential customer get to know you is to share your brand story. There's only one you, and that's awesome because no one else can copy your story. Sharing your why story, the reason you began your business in the first place, helps your customer get to know you. Now you're not simply a faceless business. They know more about who's behind the business and their thoughts and feelings, the problems they've overcome. Hopefully, you're sharing similar values to your ideal customer. Brand encompasses all the tangible and intangible elements of an organization. It's what makes you stand out against the competition. A logo is a graphic symbol that represents your brand. It is not a brand. Some reasons to consider branding your small business would be, number one, customer recognition. Your customers will begin to recognize your brand colors, the tone of voice, your brand message. They'll become more familiar with you, and then they're more apt to choose you over another brand. You'll have more credibility. You'll be seen as more of an expert, and you'll be able to charge what you're worth rather than compete on price. It will lead to customer loyalty. Your customers will tend to come back if they align with your values and they've made an emotional connection with your brand. Number 4 is referrals. When you deliver on your brand promise, your customers will remember that and recommend you. Seth Godin says, the secret to marketing is no secret at all. Word of mouth is all that matters. And lastly, ideal clients. You'll be attracting the people that you want to work with. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please subscribe for more tips on brand messaging and storytelling. And take good care. I'll see you soon.